let's start. So first example is of like fractions. So like fractions are what? The fractions which have same denominator, equal denominator. Okay, like if you are having 4 total parts, so you are taking one part out of 4 and the other one is taking 2 parts out of 4. So it is 1 over 4 and 2 over 4. So they are equal fractions. You know very well, right? So how to add that? Like fractions with equal denominator or with same denominator, it's very easy. Simply add the numerators and write your denominator. That's it. Okay. So here I have taken an example, 2 by 5 plus 7 by 5. So as I said, what we will do, we will add the numerators. Our numerators are what? 2 and 7. So what we have to do, simply write 2 plus 7 over the denominators are same, so 5. So 2 plus 7 is 9, 9 over 5. Now here we have to do one thing, because 9 is greater than 5. That is, our numerator is greater than 5. So you know it is improper fraction. We never leave our answers in improper fraction. So what we will do? We will divide this to write it into mixed number, mixed fraction. So let us divide. Here I am dividing for you. 9 divided by 5 will give me what? 5 ones 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. So my quotient is 1. My remainder is 4. And my divisor is 5. So 9 over 5 would be written as what? Quotient remainder over divisor. You see, this way we write the mixed number. Quotient remainder over divisor. So here I will be writing 1, 4 over 5. So this would be my final answer for 2 by 5 plus 7 by 5. Clear? So what we have to remember for like fractions is that we have to simply add the numerators and write the denominator below. That's it. And then secondly, if our answer is coming in improper form, if the fraction is improper, we need to convert it into mixed number. Don't forget that. Otherwise, we will lose our marks, and I don't want you to lose marks. Okay? Go ahead. Now coming to unlike fractions. Okay? Unlike fractions, as the name suggests, the denominators are unlike, not like, not same. Okay? So what we need to do? We need to make our denominators equal. It can be by taking LCM, or if we know the tables, we can quickly see, yes, which number I can multiply so that my denominators become equal. Now 5 and 4, here the example which I have written is 3 by 5 plus 1 by 4. Okay, so 5 is a prime number. Okay, so if I try to take LCM, anyhow I will have to multiply 5 by 4 only. So what I will be doing is, I will be simply multiplying my first fraction by this denominator, which is 4. Okay, and the second fraction 1 by 4 I will multiply by what? Yes, you guessed right. I will multiply by 5. Right. So as you see, now 5 4s 20, 4 5s are also 20. So our denominators are equal. Now our task becomes very easy, just like the first case. Right. So let us write 3 4s 12 by 20 plus 5 1s 5 by 20. Now what we need to do? Add the numerators. See, our denominators are now same. Right? Denominators are same. So if these are now converted to like fractions. Now it is 12 plus 5. Our task is very easy. 12 plus 5 by 20, which is 17 by 20. Now you see, here this is proper fraction only. No need to do this division, quotient, remainder or divisor, because this is already my proper fraction. It's not improper. So this will be our final answer. Okay, here this is our final answer, and here this will be our final answer. Getting now? Okay, let's do one more example. See, in this case, this is 2 over 9 plus 1 by 3. Now 3 and 9, obviously 3 is a prime number, but still I can see that 9 goes in table of 3. Yeah, 3 1s 3, 3 2 6, and 3 3s are 9. So no need to multiply multiply both the fractions. What we can do is, we can simply write 2 over 9 and make this fraction 1 over 3. Here we can make the denominator 3 by multiplying the fraction by what? 3. Yes. So it would be 1 over 3 multiplied by 3 up and down, and so my fraction is reduced, my sum is reduced to 2 by 9 plus 3 by 9. Right? So it is now with equal denominators. So 2 plus 3 is what? It is 5. So you write 5 over 9. This would be my final answer. Clear? Okay. Let's proceed further now. The next example is of mixed fractions. Yeah, how you will add mixed fractions. So here we have two methods to add mixed numbers. You see, mixed number is always made up of two parts. One is the whole number part and the other is the fraction part. So what I suggest is, like, you can first add or subtract your whole number part, and then we can do the fraction part and add them. That becomes easy. But mostly what we follow is we convert the mixed numbers into improper ones, and then we do as like making denominators equal and so on. That way also you can do, and then we will again get an improper fraction. You will have to divide by this way and we will get the answer in QR by D form, mixed number. And then again we have to remember, if our question is in mixed number, our answer also has to be in mixed number. Always remember. So let us do, I will show you both the methods. Let us see which one is easy. You can follow any one method. Okay. So here my whole number is 1, here whole number is 2. So what I will be writing? 1 plus 2 first. Then plus, now this is 3 over 4 and plus 1 over 5. Okay. So now 1 plus 2 is 3 plus. Now 3 by 4, 1 by 5. What we need to do? Make denominator equal. Okay. So let us do 3 multiplied by 5, 4 multiplied by 5 plus 1 multiplied by 4 over 5 multiplied by 4. Okay. So our answer would be what? 3 plus, now 3 5s are 15, 4 5s 20, plus 4 1s 4, 5 4s 20. Yep. Now 3 plus, now this is what? 15 plus 4, which is 19. So it is 19 by 20. So our answer would be what? 319 over 20. Got it? So here in this way we are directly getting our answer in mixed number. Now let us see the other way. If I first convert it into improper fraction and then do, I will show you here down and then I will erase it because I have written one more question here and there. So we will have to attempt those also. We will do it, don't worry. So it's 4 1s 4, 4 plus 3 is, I'm writing here, it's 7 by 4. Okay, plus 2 5s 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, so it's 11 over 5. Now it is 7 by 4 plus 11 over 5. What we need to do? Make denominators equal. So 7 times 5 over 4 times 5 plus 11 times 4 or 5 times 4. So what it will be? 7 5s are 35, 5 4s 20, 11 4s 44, 5 4s 20. Yes. So now 35 plus 44 is what? It's 79. So 79 over 20. So now we have to do again what? QRD form. Yes. So 23s are 60, 24s are 80. So I didn't do that. 23s are 60 and then 79 minus 60 is 19. So 319 by 20. See, both the methods we are getting the same answer. Anyone which you find easy, you can follow that. There is no boundation. Okay? Clear? Let's move ahead now. Now here this mixed type of problem, where we have subtraction also, addition also. Okay, so I think I should erase the previous one and then do the next one, right? Okay, let me erase it. So here I will be writing this number 4 problem up and trying to show you. So it's here 10, 3 by 5 minus 4, 3 by 8 and plus 2, 7 on 20. Right? See, I will be first doing this method where I am writing whole numbers first and then adding the fraction part. Okay, so let us do. My first whole number is 10, then here is minus, so I will be putting minus here, then 4, okay, then plus 2, done. Now the fraction part, so it's plus 3 over 5, now again minus 3 over 8 and plus 7 over 20, right? So 10 minus 4 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. So my whole number part is 8. Now plus here what we need to do? 5, 8, 20, all the denominators are different. So what we need to do is, we need to make our denominators equal. So in 5's table 20 comes, but in 8's table 20 doesn't come. But yes, in 8's table 40 comes, which goes in table of all. 5 8s are 40, 8 5s are 40, even 22s are 40. So I will make my denominator 40. You can take the LCM also by ladder method and you can find 5 1s, this 8, 4 and then you will see that 4 1s, 2s and 1 and then again 5 4s and so 5 4s 20 and 22s are 40. So you will be getting your LCM by ladder method also, you will get it as 40 only. Okay, so let us do. So 3 times 8 by 5 times 8 plus 3 by 8, so times 5 and 5 up and down, plus 7 by 2 and 20 also by 2. Okay, so here it is 8 plus 8 3s are what? 24 over 40 obviously, 3 5s 15, 8 5s 40, 7 2s 14. I'm sorry, here we have to write negative sign. See, this is carried over, negative sign, yeah, and 14 over 40, right? So my answer would be what, my dear? It's 8 plus 24 minus 15 plus 14. Let us write minus 15 plus 14 over 40. So yes, what we'll be doing, 8 plus minus 15 plus 14 is what? Minus 1, and 24 minus 1 would be 23. So it is 23 over 40. So our answer will be 8 23 by 40. Clear? Just go on writing the steps one by one. Do not try to skip any step. When we do skip the steps, then there are more chances of making mistakes. But see, when we are writing each and every step, there are very least chances of making mistakes. Okay? Let's do the last problem of mixed numbers, where we have to find out the unknown alphabet, unknown number we need to find out. Okay? Let's do it. Let's do. What we will be doing? First, we will be converting this into improper fraction. Okay? You can also do by this method, but I would rather prefer in this by converting it into improper fraction. So 5 ones are 5 plus a over 5. Done for the first one. Next is 2 tens, 20, 20 plus 3, 23 by 10. And then here 10 fours 40, 40 plus 1, 41. So 41 over 10. Clear? What we need to do now? We need to simply transpose this 23 by 10 to right hand side. Now here this is with plus sign. So when we transpose it to the other side, it will become negative 23 over 10. So I will be writing 5 plus a by 5 equals 41 by 10 minus 23 by 10. Okay, now let's do it. It's 5 plus a by 5. So 41 minus 23 would be what? It should be 11 minus 3 is what? 8. Okay, and 3 minus 2 is 1. Right, so it should be 18 by 10. So it is 5 plus a over 5 is 18 by 10. Let's just check it. It's 11 minus 3 is 8 and 3 minus 2 is 1. Yeah, fine. I can reduce this. 18 by 10 can be reduced. Or, okay, let's reduce it. So we will write it as divide this by 2, divide this by 2. So we'll be getting what? 9 over 5. Yes. So here it is 5 plus a over 5 equals 9 over 5. Now you see, in both the denominators are same. Left hand side also and right hand side also. Denominators are same, right? So what I can do, I can multiply both the sides by 5. Multiply both the sides by 5. So see what will happen if I multiply 5 plus a by 5 multiplied by 5, and here 9 by 5 multiplied by 5. So let me remove this. So when we multiply by 5, this goes out and you are left with 5 plus a is equal to 9, which is 9a is equal to 9 minus 5. So my a is what? It is 4. Clear? If you do not want to do this way, multiplying by 5, then what is the option? You need to cross multiply. So let me show you that method also. Here I am showing you. So it is 5 plus a by 5 equals 9 over 5. You need to cross multiply, right? So it will be 5 times 5 plus a equals 9 times 5. So 5 times 5 is 25 plus 5a equals 9 5s are 45. So 5a is 45 minus 25 and 5a is 45 minus 25 is 20. And my a is what? 20 over 5, which is 4. Exactly the same. Got it? Any one method we can follow. Right? So my dear, I think now addition and subtraction part is revised. In next video, I will be taking multiplication and division. Be in touch and all the best for your preparation.